Hey guys, I hope you're well. I hope you're in bed. Hope you're sound asleep. It's 2:25 a.m. here at your dear Uncle Blozo's nightmare of a workbench. Now I'm still running on generator power. I've been waiting for this moment, man. Because it's not worth switching off the whole house's power just to go on generator power just so I could look at the waveform. And that's what I'm doing. Now, people think the output of a simple generator system like mine is a square wave. That's ridiculous. Like I was explaining to Kyle, he won't use his computer, and that's fine. But I was explaining to him that by the time that I was explaining that it's very hard to transmit a square wave, that they don't occur in nature anywhere. And that when you pass current down a long wire, it does two things. It modifies the square wave. It rounds off the leading edge and creates a reverse function on the trailing edge and results in a waveform like that. That's what I told him. I told him I never looked at that, but my electrical knowledge tells me it must be so because of the inductance of that wire to modify the sine wave, if you will. That's what my theory told me, and that's what we're looking at. The little hitches you see are noise because of my furnace running. When this furnace shuts off, that goes away. Now, that's what the waveform looks like at the farthest from the generator in my bedroom. Was I right? Let's look. Yep. I've been running my Roku TV and my media computer in the living room on it just fine. I've been running everything on it fine. The electronic control system in the furnace and everything. Living normally, man. I told Kyle, fire up your computer, but he won't. Anyway, man. I hope I can go to sleep. The video is done rendering, capturing my day. But I'm going to sit in the living room in the dark, post this thing with baby boy. He's been a good boy. He knows it's not a normal night. He's a good boy. I hope you're well. I hope you can sleep better than I do. I'll talk to you later. Sorry for burping. I got gas. No, not that kind. Bye, guys.